Hello everybody, it is Shahala. Oh look, I'm copying Victoria. Hello, it's Victoria everybody. No, I'm just kidding, it's Shahala. And today I'm going to be vlogging my day, and it's going to be very interesting because I'm going to plan a lot of videos. I need to help Victoria with her YouTube, and I have to do my own Pilates classes for the IG exercise. By the way, if you haven't seen my class, go watch it right now, okay? Thank you. And then another thing I'm going to do is probably eat and watch TV and drink my tea that I prepare. I did a little peppermint tea, and because I need to detox and I need to calm down. And then you guys saw previously that I work out, and I work out in the morning. That's why I'm kind of like not very attractive at the moment because my hair is all very nasty and I'm kind of sweaty, but you guys can see it on camera. Thank Buddha. While I worked out, I did some abs and some Pilates and some stretching, a lot of stretching because my whole body has been hurting lately and it's not very nice feeling to have so much pain all around. So I decided to stretch very long time, and then I sped up the exercises because I thought you didn't need to know. If you wanted to know, you would go to my video. I'm going to eat some breakfast right now. I'm going to eat these Baduko Coco toast whole wheat. My mommy loves these and I don't know why, but I enjoy them as well. And I might eat them with this sour cream. I love sour cream, and as well as some jelly, some strawberry, and some peach mango. And what else am I going to tell you guys? Well, I'm going to take you guys along and I'm going to do my makeup as well. I'm going to show you guys some Indian secrets because I have plenty, and I also need to apply them to my life right now. And what else am I going to do? I might do some more Pilates in the afternoon. I might work out a little bit more. I do not know yet. And so if you see me in the same clothes, that's probably because I'm still gonna work out. And I think that's it. I just keep blabbing and blabbing. You will see what my day looks like. I do not need to tell you, give you preview. No, you're going to watch this video. That's why you click on it. But I'm going to drink the tea and I'm going to eat breakfast. And I'm also watching America Says so I can know a little bit more you guys Americans and, relate to you guys a little bit more. But that's it. I will get back to you later. Bye-bye. What is up, my people? Currently, it is 12:51. And I'm going to start studying my permit because Shakhala doesn't know how to drive yet, and I need to get my permit first and then I have to get my license. So that is what I'm going to be studying to, like right now, not today, right now. And I think I'll just do that for a little while and then I might record a little bit so you can see, and then yeah, but that is what I'm currently going to do. Now going to eat lunch for the first time because I am very hungry right now, and today's lunch is going to be, guess, it is chicken curry today for lunch, and I am so excited. I'm going to show you guys how good it looks because it is delicious. Just prepare yourself for this delicious meal. Look at it. Oh yes, baby. Oh, look at that chicken curry. Beautiful shot. So I am going to eat this delicious chicken curry that I just showed you guys, and I'm going to eat it while watching. I don't know what I'm going to watch, but what else? Oh, what did the lighting? Hey, sun god, where are you? What you just okay? Well, I think it looked good right here, but I just want to tell you guys I'm going to eat lunch. You guys do not need to see me eat. And then what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to get ready for my makeup because you can't see me like this forever. So let me take my lunch, okay? And you go eat yours. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys, and I just wanted to update you about what I've been doing. I ate my chicken curry and I just watched some Dance Moms, and now I'm going to do my makeup. I have all of my supplies. I have my pouch, my palette, and my whole case of makeup ready to show you guys how I do my makeup. I will not be showing you the whole thing because if not, it will just be how Shakhala does her makeup instead of a vlog. So I will time lapse you guys. I don't know how Victoria did that, but I will try and figure it out. But it's supposed to go like really fast, so I won't be talking a lot or anything, but you guys will be seeing how this transforms into something much more beautiful. But and later on, I think I'm going to share my Indian secrets with you guys, and I'm very, 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 very excited to show you. And then what else am I going to do? I don't think I'm going to do Pilates. I do need to take a shower though, but this is really comfortable and I really don't want to take it off. Yeah, I think that's it, and I will time lapse you right now and you will see my makeup and how I transform. So this is the finished makeup. I look I look like my auntie. I just saw her on TV, but I look just like her. It's crazy. Wow. But I'm still in the same outfit as you can see. But the makeup, if I don't show you guys the outfit, the makeup and the hair looks really, really, really good. So I think I just won't show the rest of my outfit. But now I think I'm going to clean up because we have this huge mess of makeup and we just need to clean that up. And then as well, what do I need to do? Oh, I need to show you guys my Indian secrets, which I will, but you have to give me a minute. But yeah, I will do that. Let's go. So we are here in the pool with my little brother Shahalo. Say hi, Shahalo. Hi, Hey, well, okay, what we're going to enjoy the pool for a little while, as you can see. Probably
I'm very strong.
well, my makeup is probably going to run out, so I might not look as gorgeous as I am right now when I get out. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy the pool because it's very, very, very hot and it's melting off my makeup. Boy, stop copying me. Thank you. Bye. Hello, my beautiful people, to another day. I'm so sorry I forgot to film the rest of the day yesterday, but after the pool, Shakhala was like, do you want to watch a movie with me, Shakhala? And I said yes, and I completely forgot to film everything else. And then I thought in bed, I was like, oh no, oh my Buddha, Shakhala, you completely forgot to film the Indian secrets. And then I was like, what's the point of this video if I do not have the Indian secret segment? Because if I don't have that, you know, what's the point of watching this video? It's not like my life is very interesting either way, you know. I just ate curry and, you know, I go to the pool, but nothing more. So I'm here today with this big tray right here filled with my ingredients to show you guys my Indian secrets. So let's get into it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do these different remedies for your knees and your elbows and your armpits. But we're first going to start with our knees and our elbows. So you're definitely going to need a cup. You're going to need some type of mixing spoon so you can mix all the ingredients. You're going to need peanut butter. Please do not use an expensive one like Skippy or anything like that. I'm using like this nuts on creamy peanut butter. Does not have to be expensive at all. And also we're going to use turmeric. And before I move on, I'm going to tell you guys, this is like the Buddha paradise for us Indians. We put turmeric on everything, on food, on health, beauty, hair, face, anything you think of, we use turmeric. So this is going to be the majority of all these remedies, okay? To use some honey. And as well, we're going to use some lemon. Oh, it's in the white. We're going to use some lemon juice. I'm either going to use this bottle or some fresh squeezed lemon. And that is it for this remedy right now. Stuff and everything. So here we go. So this is your cup, right? Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to add some peanut butter. Peanut butter almost fell. We're gonna open our spoon. And we're going to use this and put in our peanut butter. There's not very exact measurements for this because, you know, as Indians we don't really use measurements, but you just use how much you think you might need for your knees, depending on how dark they are, depending on how serious your dark areas are. You just put in the peanut butter. It's kind of struggling with me right now, but it will go in, I promise. I'm going to use some turmeric. Turmeric, I say you, it is the Buddha paradise for us Indians. It's not very appealing, but it works for like everything. So you're just gonna put a little amount of turmeric. We're going to put the honey and oh, turmeric, you're blocking my view. We're going to put honey to kind of liquefy these mixture. I put a little bit too much honey, I think. This is how it look like right now. Hope you guys can see that, but it look like piece of caca. I think I'm going to use the original lemon juice like this one to see if it really work. Okay, so I put the lemon juice in, and now we're going to mix. We're going to mix this mixture. Be careful, cause this lemon juice kinda is going to go everywhere, and it's going to make a mess. And especially if you didn't know, turmeric it is very staining. So if you get it on your hand or something like that, it's going to stain you. So it is smooth right now, as you can see. Look how smooth it is. It looks like my diarrhea. But we're going to put this on my knee. This is what my knee look like right now. So we're going to add the mixture. So we're just going to lather it. Look at that beautiful yellow. This is what it look like right now. And now I'm going to put it on my elbows. So welcome back, my people. It has been 10 minutes and I'm going to take this turmeric thing off, and we're going to use a towel just to wipe it off. After me popping in, I wanted to tell you guys that the turmeric did leave a yellow tinge on my knees, but when I went to take a shower, I rubbed real hard with the water and the soap, and it came off and my knees were much lighter. So definitely go try it. But now it is time for the elbows, so we're going to take those off as well. It looks like I'm just wiping away peanut butter from a cracker. Oh, they turn out very smooth. I'm going to do that one. This turmeric thing has gotten all over my desk, on my chair, on my light, on my tripod, and it is terrible. I do not recommend doing this in a place that you care about. Do it like in your kitchen, in your bathroom, because it's going to get messy. So there is no more space for me to wipe my elbow. I think it just turned it yellow. I think the turmeric has that power, but I'm going to leave this washing. Give me 1 minute. I think you have to do this very constantly. You cannot. It's not going to just be magic, because that is not it. This is not Aladdin. We do not grant wishes. Next up on the list, we have how to get rid of the armpit dark areas. So in this special case, we're going to have to do two-time remedy. So the first one is going to be your exfoliator. So you're going to need this sugar. Oh, it moved. You're going to need some lemon juice. I'm going to use the natural one because I really want it to work. And then the other thing you're going to need is the honey. I'm not using a full cup or anything. I'm just estimating with my eyes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to close the sugar because you do not need it anymore. Then we're going to add the honey. I'm going to use the same honey we used last time. It's kind of very slow, as you can see. So we're going to add, it's farting. So we're going to add the honey. We're gonna make it enough exfoliating for everything, and then we're gonna use the lemon. We're going to use some fresh lemon because we definitely need to mix in that fresh lemon scent. It's going to be an exfoliator for your armpits, so that is what you're going to start with to properly prepare it, and you're going to keep it on for 15 minutes. 15 if you didn't understand how I talk. I did not finish this vlog. I am so sorry. You guys know how I am, but I wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in to see my vlog and my Indian secrets. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Victoria's channel, and I will see you in my next video. Buddha bless.